So any loans taken out June 30th of this year and prior are eligible for forgiveness as long as they are held with the Department of Education. There are, in some cases, loans held by commercial institutions that are backed by the Department of Education, but those, as it currently stands, are not eligible for forgiveness. Student loan forgiveness eligibility is based on your income tax return. For both tax years 2020 and 2021, you could be eligible as long as your income is $125,000 or less if you're filing single, or $250,000 or less if you're filing head of household or married filing jointly. If you are eligible for student loan forgiveness, you could receive up to $20,000 or $10,000 depending on if you receive the Pell Grant. If you receive the Pell Grant, you would be eligible for the $20,000 limit. And what's nice is they also put a provision in there that if you made any payments during the COVID pause or during the American Rescue Plan Act of 2020, which extends from March 2020 to the end of this year, you could be eligible for a potential refund on any payments you made during that time frame. Congratulations, you are eligible for student loan forgiveness. Now what's next? What you will need to do is fill out an application that will be available in mid-October. You will have until the end of next year, 2023, to fill out that application. Once you have filled out the application, we are recommending that you check your Department of Education account to make sure that the payments or the forgiveness has been applied appropriately. Good news, your federal student loans will not be taxable at the federal level. However, we do want to caution you as they could be taxable at the state level. Here in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, the Commonwealth has decided not to tax student loans as part of the provisions to change to the federal code as of 2022. So if you're not eligible for forgiveness because you refinance your student loans or hold a loan with a private commercial lender, we ask that you reach out to us to see if it makes sense to either refinance or to try to get a better monthly payment plan that works for you. As of right now, there are no lawsuits. However, it is very likely that there will be lawsuits pending on this in the future. So we ask if you have any questions or if you are concerned about this student loan forgiveness and the potentiality of a reverse decision, we ask you to call us at 978-984-5425.